Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is me, Mohammad Saqib, an overseas Pakistani. So today I'm going to take you for a quick round of an exhibition organized by Graana. What a fantastic property show that was. Some of the big names in the property market participated in that show. Location was the Lahore Expo Centre, a beautiful place. And I would like to congratulate Graana for organizing such a vibrant property show. Just recently, I have witnessed that so many of the professional boys in their professional suits, girls in a very professional attire, presenting property portfolios from commercial plots to apartments, shops, offices, and some of the bigger names in the market. They were presenting the iconic projects which will really change the face of the property market in Pakistan. So let's go.
Love me, well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.